Hello everyone, welcome to May 16th. Are you okay? Oh big. Why you have... Oh my... Let's get some stacks of courage. Oh, wrinkle. Man, I'm so good at this. So... Okay, we really... I guess we should probably do a mind social link. Let's go grab a hangman persona if we can actually get one.
Marvelous.
Yeah,
I'm
give me
looking
Scarlet
for-
Fragment.
Here are my requests. Very well.
Blah blah blah. Give me my persona.
Welcome to the Velvet Room. Please take a look.
I don't suppose I have any hangmans already. Can I
Are you in search of...
Well
make
then,
any?
shall we take a look?
I don't even...
Please take a look.
Okay, we can make a hangman. Okay. Jump cut for looking up fusion.
Well then, shall we take a look?
Okay. We're back. We're making
This
the
persona
hangman
is powerful.
persona.
What do you wish to inherit?
Inukami. Guess
It
we'll go on
seems you have been blessed with...
So it begins.
Also, because of this, we are now broke. So, we might need to work part-time. Really shouldn't have spent 3K on the arcade.
Very well. We look...
My tummy's grumbling. Can we go to Wild Duck? Yay! You're the best! I wonder what the daily burger is today. I love going out to eat. Because when I go with my mom and dad, everybody gets along. We used to have so much fun together. Why would they get a divorce?
Keyword used to.
They don't love each
Yeah, I
other?
shouldn't have said that. No, I don't think any of those options were great.
I don't want them to get a divorce. Mom and Dad must hate me. No, divorce is stupid. I hate it.
Yeah, this is awkward.
Sorry. I know it's awkward for you if I cry. I'll try not to.
Rank up!
I have to go home now. Thank you for playing with me today.
Oh, welcome back.
Hey!
What?
I could study some more.
Salut. Greatly appreciated.
So dance. If
Wait.
you wanna go ahead, free to do whatever. I'm chilling on my bed, minding my biz. So mind your own biz, whatever like is. We
Special.
feel with the
I'm sorry to not go. We'll hang out later.
with the burning desire.
Wait,
Every day
what?
we inspire, but never expires.
I mean,
We gon' chill today. We got the world around us, you know.
I'm so sorry to not go. We'll hang out later.
What?
Man, this sucks. Guess I don't have much choice with Kirijo-senpai getting on my case. She was like, if you fail your midterm, there will be consequences. I feared for my life for a second. You guys are my only hope. Give me a hand here. Please.
You can start by taking this seriously. You've been distracted this whole time.
As they say, it pays to be prepared. Gotta get myself in the right mindset first, right? A good study session needs a clean and organized workspace and the perfect mood for learning. And so, to set that mood, I, Junpei Iori,
I should have
volunteer.
hung out with Tanaka.
What? Where is this coming from?
You there, young man! What lecture would you like to hear from the great Junpei? History, arithmetic, literature? So, you'd like to hear about history, huh? Well then, this one's about a certain archaeological team. They spent their whole lives excavating, only to find nothing. In the end...
If you say their career was in ruins, I will hit you.
Oh, come on! Don't steal the punchline! And don't hit me either. Look, we all need a breather sometimes. What'd you think about the great Junpei's lecture, dude?
I'd love to hear another.
Ah, quite the studious young man, aren't you? Then allow me to give you my best lecture yet.
Stupay, you're starting to infect his mind too. If we keep humoring you, it's going to impact our studies too. Or maybe we should just let you fail. Find out what Kirijo-senpai's consequences are like firsthand.
Whoa, let's not get hasty here. I was just joking around. I'll get serious, I swear. Don't abandon me! So, this goes like that. Then you take that and carry it over to here. And then, hey man, you mind giving me a little help with this one?
Oh, look who's actually putting the effort in. That wasn't so bad, was it?
About that joke I was telling earlier. Should I pause before the punchline or go with the flow?
You always have
Why
to
don't we
pause.
just pretend this guy doesn't exist and study on our own? I guess that's enough studying for today. Thanks to you, I got a lot more done.